Get away!
Yeah. Come on. Get your hands up. Come on. Get your hands up. Let's do
All right, ladies and gentlemen.
Let's stand our ground and give them a
Welcome.
fight. Let's light up the match.
Anjuna ready.
The odds right. Get in the faces in all the wrong places. Wear the war paint and be the funky saint. This is a war of ideas.
Here comes Virat Kohli.
Think my mind and be wrong. If I fight for freedom and be wrong. If I find up everywhere. I make it feel so right and be wrong.
All right, guys.
If I fight for freedom and be wrong.
We want to be in our best behavior. I request you all to please calm down. Calm down, guys. Yes, we are ready. Okay. I would like to welcome the CEO of... Okay. So these are the co-founders of Wrong. Now can you make some noise for them? On that note, you've been really bored listening to my voice. So I hand over the mic to Miss Anjuna.
This is home, and this is our first store launch with Virat. We're going to have about 100 stores over the next 2 years. I'm very happy to have Virat here to open the first store in the country today in Hyderabad. So I'm going to give it over to Virat to speak a couple words about the brand.
Hello, Hyderabad. Thank you, Anjuna. Thank you so much for having me here. Wow. This is... I'm actually feeling very grateful right now seeing all the support from you guys. Thank you so much. This is a city I love coming to and I love playing here, and the support you guys give is immense. So thank you so much. What we are here for today is the first standalone store for Wrong, the clothing brand that we launched some time back along with Anjuna, and you know, the response has been wonderful. People have accepted it in a wonderful way, and now we have our first standalone store, which is going to be the flagship store, the first in India, in Hyderabad. So there couldn't be a better start. I'm really excited about it. Well, as I've said before, all the clothes that you get in Wrong is actually what I wear, and the kind of clothes that I like to wear. So I go through all the styles, all the designs, approvals are done, and then the clothes go out to you guys. So whatever I wear, you can wear if you come to this store. As simple as that. And we're launching the footwear as well. The shoes I'm wearing right now are from Wrong. There's some really cool stuff in there, and I'm sure all you guys are going to enjoy it. So I'm very happy to be here to launch the store, and we're going to have so many more across the whole country, and I couldn't be more happy because I'm very particular about my fashion and what I like to wear. So, you know, bringing out this brand along with Anjuna and all the guys who are behind it, it's actually a mini dream come true for me. I always wanted to have my own clothing line, and this is it. You know, you guys have made it possible. The fans have made it possible by the great response. So I want to thank you all once again, and I hope I see a lot of you in my store. Yeah? Yes? Thank you. Thank you.
All right, thank you very much, Virat. I know. Let us have... Can we see everyone doing this? Two rights make a wrong. That's what we're here to prove. Girls, I hope I could scream along with you all. All right? Request you all to take your seats. So this is going to be... Guys, please, there's a humble request you all to please stay a little silent for 5 minutes. All right? So let us begin before the press takes it over. It's a very cliche question.
Style statement is very simple. Be confident in what you're wearing, and it'll look good on you. If you don't feel good about what you're wearing, it won't. So I like to keep things pretty simple. If you see what I'm wearing now as well, pretty basic. You know, no loud stuff. that's the kind of clothes I wear. But again,
Many brands in India, even elsewhere. Why wrong?
why wrong? Because I wear wrong.
Be the new right.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So now, before media kills me, all right, so I give the opportunity for the press to ask one-on-one question with Ms. Anjana and Virat Kohli over here. A humble request to our lovely media to stick the questions to the brand and no personal question, if you all really can. Thank you so much.
Hi, hope you can hear me. Am I audible? Yeah. How many stores do you have in India as of now, and what's your expansion plan? By end of financial year, how many stores you would like to have?
So today we currently retail through 75 Shopper Stop across 36 cities in India. This is our first flagship store, and in the next 2 to 3 years we're looking at opening 100 such stores. The second store is already open in Bombay, in Phoenix Market City in Kurla.
What's the likely investment that will go into the expansion that you would need for next 3 years?
I think that's something that's confidential. So, but 100 stores is what we're looking at opening across the metros and tier 2, tier 3 markets as well.
My question is for Virat, and I hope I'm keeping the question to the brand itself. We're talking about how wrong is the new right. So do you think the Olympic Association picking up Salman Khan as the brand ambassador, was it the wrong decision or the right decision, or was it a wrong right?
See, I'm not in a position to comment about it. It really doesn't matter what I feel about it. So there's no point putting it out there. You know, the decision has to be made by the concerned people. I've said this before as well. A lot of people have voiced their opinions. For me, I can't make a comment because I'm not making that decision. It's up to the people who have made the decision to know whether it's right or wrong. It's not my place to answer that, because whatever I say, honestly, it's going to be masala for, you know, the news. It's not going to make any difference. No, I'm being very honest. I'm being very honest. My opinion will not change the decision for anyone in any sort of association or organization. So I'm in no position to make a comment on that.
But Bollywood supporting sports, that is one thing that you can really comment on. That do you think it is right? Because now they're trying to rope in Sachin or any other Bollywood sports personality. So do you feel sports personality should only be representing the sports?
See, again, obviously, if you get support from anywhere, it's good. Support is never bad. But I'm not saying that I'm in favor of the decision or I'm against the decision. As I said, it's not my place to comment on it. People will have different feelings towards the decision. As I said, my opinion really doesn't matter in altering that decision or impactful on the outcome of that decision. So it doesn't really matter what I say here.
Okay, so my question is to Virat. So how do you think your fashion styles have evolved in the past years, and why, does it make you confident? Did it bring any change in your personality?
Well, it did. Honestly, it did. Initially, you know, everyone, when you're experimenting with your...
Check.
Yes, sir. When you're experimenting with your sense of fashion, you obviously end up wearing stuff that it's probably too loud or, you know, not exactly what you wanted to wear, but because everyone else is doing it, you feel like you can carry it off. But it's very tough and very important to find your own style statement and what you're comfortable in wearing and what makes you feel comfortable when you're going out there, you know, wearing what you're wearing. So it has evolved over a period of time. I've understood that for me, being simple is more stylish. I can wear a pair of track pants and chappals and a tee and go to the airport. I don't need to dress up so much for that. So it all depends on how confident you feel about wearing something. You will never see me wearing something very loud because I don't feel myself in it. So yes, I've sort of figured out what works for me and what are the kind of clothes that sync with me over a period of time. It takes time for everyone, and that hence the fashion line. I mean, it's to put out there in front of people things that will always look good, that will always stay in fashion, and that's being simple.
We'll have last two questions, please. Please, from the media.
Hi Virat, how is feeling being an entrepreneur? What's your feeling being an entrepreneur?
What's your feeling for being an entrepreneur?
If I would be one, but I feel that's stepping into the right direction. When I'm done with my cricket and actually understand how the business side of things work, so that I have something to look forward to even when I'm done with my sport, because this is taking so much of my life's time that immediately when I finish, I shouldn't feel like, wow, I have nothing to do now. You know, that's a very, very strange feeling. Obviously, you want to give time to family and all those sort of things, but you need to be busy as well, and should be able to have enough knowledge to actually, have keen interest in whatever businesses I set up in the future as well. But yeah, this is a very positive start and I'm very happy about it.
Hi, just because you are sure of what you want to wear and what you're comfortable with. So do you want to step into the profession of designing your own clothes for your fans?
What did she say?
Are you interested in designing also for your fans, for yourself?
Are you interested in designing the clothes for your
as
fans?
I said, I mean, I have done that about 2-3 times where all the new collection has been put in front of me and I have approved the clothes myself. And, that's why I say that what I wear, we are putting it out there through Wrong. What I mean by that is I have total involvement in designing, in styling, in the way the clothes should look, even the way the collar of a t-shirt looks. That much detail I go into with Wrong. And that's very important because if I wear something and if someone else wants to wear it, they should get the exact same thing and not get something different. And that's the whole idea of getting through to the consumer what I actually wear. So you have to be involved in it, and I'm very involved in the designing and the styling part of it as well, and I love it completely. As I said, I try to bring in different styles, but at the same time keep it simple. So you need to have your involvement as well in terms of achieving that, and you should be happy with what's going out there for the consumer to use.
All right. I thought that was last, I think. Sir, we'll take your question, please.
Which is the biggest challenge for you, being on the field or facing all these things actually?
I think I still get very paranoid with the attention. I still react to it in a very nervous way most of the times. And, I still don't know how to react to so many people coming out and showing so much love. But, yeah, this is by far, for me, being more nervous because I have to actually sit here and absorb all this love and affection on the field. I know people are cheering for you, but you're focused on something. You're committed to something so badly that you don't pay attention to what's going on around you. So yeah, this is more challenging for me at this stage, definitely.
All right, thank you very much, Meteor, for your questions. Well, Virat doesn't know how to react to this love, but we know exactly how to react to Virat. All right, so let us capture this moment in a selfie, which is with this ma'am. So can we capture this with the fans? So, ma'am, can you just step forward and let us capture this moment in a selfie?